Hey everyone, happy Wednesday and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got this really fun and bright Watermarble Wednesday to share with you, and I am just loving the colors that I chose for this week. They really get me amped up and excited for spring. If you'd like to see how this mani turned out, keep on watching. As I do with most of my Watermarble manicures, I'll be going in and applying 2 thin coats of Sinful color Snowy White, which will help the colors pop on the nail. Before I start with the Watermarble process, I'll be going in and applying 1 thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will help to seal in my base color and which will also help with the drying process. Next, I'll be applying Girly Bits Border Patrol around my cuticles, which will help make the cleanup process easier. I'll also be using the cup that comes with the TwinkledT Glamor mat for my Watermarble. I'll also be using Essie's Where's My Chauffeur along with Sally Hansen Xtreme Wear Bubblegum Pink for this Watermarble nail art. With my pink and light blue polishes, I'll be going in and alternating the colors and dropping beads of polish into the water until I am happy with the amount of polish and circles I have before creating my pattern in the water. To create my Watermarble design, I'll be using my all-time favorite Watermarble tool by What's Up Nails Pure Color number 7. And lastly, I'll be going in and applying 1 last and final coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will help to seal in my mani and give it a high gloss. And that's it for this Watermarble Wednesdays nail art. I do really love how this one turned out. Sometimes Watermarbles can be a hit or a miss for me, but these ones I'm going to say are one of my favorites that I've done so far this year. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching, and if you did like this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And as always, stay glamorous.